The voters heard what you said, and yet according to the post-poll study, those assertions have been rejected, Dr. Sunil Kumar, because your constant refrain was, remember Jungle Raj. The young voters seem to have said, okay, you know, yes, that was a problem, but aapne kya kiya? We don't like what you did.
Rahul, let me clarify, we were always fighting the poll on the plank of development Raj, Vikas Raj. It was people who used to compare it with Jungle Raj. We did not, we talked about our Vikas Raj. And as for the caste mathematics that you have said, it's not so simple because, you know, like Bihar, you talk about so much of a caste driven thing, but let me remind you, Bihar is the state from where Acharya J.B. Kriplani, Ashok Mehta, George Fernandez, Madhu Limay, they also won with a thumping majority. They didn't belong to Bihar, not belong to any caste system. So the and the sample size of your survey, I think, is too small to be statistically significant. And as for the
so when the survey is right, then and it shows you win like it did in 2019, then of course the survey is bang on and the pollster is brilliant. If you don't like what the doctor is telling you, then dawai theek nahi hai. But that's the problem, but that's standard, so no qualms with that.
Let me complete, Rahul, because what I'm telling you is that in one assembly constituency, you are nearly taking about 150 sample survey. So I think it statistically cannot be significant. And that is another thing which I'm telling you. If your caste mathematics is so simple, if MY is so solid, why don't I take you back to 2010 election where RJD, Congress and Paswanji were also there. They all combined with all MY and Paswan combination. What happened to them? They just had a little more than 20 seats. I think 22 seats they had. So it is not so simple, and nobody can imagine, like Nitish Kumar, the way he has worked for the minority community and the budget allocation of the minority community for the minority welfare department in the RJD Raj and in the Nitish
so
Raj.
You're at this moment in denial, but we'll let you be in denial till tomorrow morning, and then we'll deal once the actual vote share is ahead of us. But let's just for a moment go across and show you what will be the big bragging rights tomorrow? Because on the one side, you've got, you know, there is this narrative that, yes, the JDU is weakening the NDA, that the BJP is strong, but the JDU is the weak link. Tomorrow we will know which party emerges as the single largest. Here, we go back till 2005 and show you which party has been the single largest in Bihar. Remember, the BJP has never so far been the single largest party. In 2005, it was the Janata Dal United, which had 88 seats. The BJP had 55. In 2010, it was the JDU. So in those two elections, it was the JDU, which was the single largest. But at that time, the BJP came in with 91, which was its best performance in Bihar so far. In 2015, the RJD had 80. The JDU had 71. The BJP only had 53. So there is a lot of prestige at stake. According to the post-poll study done by Access My India for India today, the RJD could end up between 94 and 106. Is that a big one, Naval Kishore? Ki kal century lagegi ki nahi? Because there are two IPLs happening, the Indian Political League and the Indian Premier League. And how important is crossing the double-digit figure and ending up in a 100 situation? Is that important tomorrow, Naval Kishore?
इसकी बहुत बड़ी संभावना है क्योंकि क्रिकेट और पॉलिटिकल फील्ड के कनेक्ट हैं। तेजस्वी यादव का एक्सपीरियंस वहां भी था और यहां भी है, और जिस तरह से उन्होंने चुनाव अभियान में अपना भूमिका निभाया है, he will surely cross 100. That is for one thing. But I wanted to come to your last point, in which you did not give me a chance to speak. I was just saying that I'll just make one point. Why Nitish Kumar is unbelievable so far as the community consolidation is concerned. जब एक बार वो बोलते हैं कि संघ मुक्त भारत बनाना है और दूसरे दिन चले जाते हैं संघ युक्त हो जाते हैं, तो कैसे विश्वास करेगा? उनके सहयोगी योगी आदित्यनाथ बोलते हैं कुछ और उनको ये बोलते हैं कौन ये फालतू बात करता है. This kind of double standard in public life was every time rejected by Bihar, and this time also they were rejected. तो इस तरह का जो डबल स्पीक है उनके राजनीति में वो बहुत बड़ी दिखती है. जैसे वो कहते हैं कि वो सबसे लोकप्रिय है, बीजेपी भी कहती है कि वही उनका चेहरा है, लेकिन 2005 से अभी तक he has never contested any assembly election. तो कैसे मान लें कि बहुत लोकप्रिय है? कई लोग नहीं लड़े हैं, लेकिन चीफ मिनिस्टर रहते हुए लड़े हैं और उनको कुर्सी छोड़ना भी पड़ा है. झारखंड में का उदाहरण आपके सामने है, यूपी का उदाहरण आपके सामने है. ये क्यों नहीं जाते हैं चुनाव में, इसका भी कारण समझना होगा. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग which he has built up for the past 15 years along with his performance has gone broken this time. So that is also one of the most important reasons why he is going down in the eyes of youth as well as the people from different communities.